What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you one of the best organic traffic strategies for your affiliate marketing products and your own products, and just really good organic traffic in general for 2021. So I've been using this organic traffic strategy over the last year or so to build up my business, and it's generating a really good income stream for me. And I want to actually take you through exactly how to set this up so you know exactly how it works and you can actually get results with this traffic strategy. Now, I'm serious when I say this is one of the best traffic strategies online right now, and people are making really good money from it. Now, when it comes to organic traffic, you want to find good traffic that grows your income. So with organic traffic, it's pretty hard sometimes. Like if you have a blog, the traffic can be kind of up or down, like a bit of a wave. YouTube can be up or down. You got to keep chasing your tail, putting out new content. But this traffic strategy, we found, grows pretty consistently and grows our income quite consistently if you do it the right way. Now, we're going to get into this video very soon, guys, but before we do that, quick intro today. What you want to do is we're giving access to every single one of our courses for the giveaway. So what you've got to do is below this video, first you got to smash that like button, then below this video in the comment section, write your favorite traffic source that you've used to make money online or that you want to use, and we pick a winner from every single video to win access to all of our courses. So go and do that now if you want to win access to every single one of my courses. Now, I do need to do a bit of a disclaimer before we get into this training, is this traffic makes me over $100 a day, a lot more than that, but I have no idea if you will make that. In fact, I don't know what you will make, and what you make depends on the work you put in. This is very important. I do these videos based on my own work that I've done and for educational purposes only. So what is this traffic source that's blowing up, and you need to jump into this because it is a really good traffic source. Now, I've used this traffic source to grow multiple Facebook groups. So that's what this is. I'm going to show you how to build a profitable Facebook group where you actually get traffic and you build up your own ecosystem and you can promote products. So here's one of mine, 40,000 members, 30,000. We've got one that's got 50, 60, 70. We've got lots of Facebook groups. Now, the thing about Facebook groups is Facebook literally in 2019 really focused on groups, and they're still focusing on them today. They suggest them more. They are pushing them as more than ever. The reason is because Facebook wants Facebook to be a community kind of platform, right? They want people to engage. They want people to get involved, and they want to keep people on Facebook. This is one of the biggest reasons why they created groups, because groups actually keep people on Facebook. It keeps them interacting. It keeps them engaging in their communities. And they are very successful for Facebook. It's been one of their most successful things that they added. And they are pushing them right now. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you exactly how to set one up and take you through step by step how to optimize it so you can get suggested in Facebook and build that group organically and promote your products. So let's go and I'll show you exactly how to do that. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take you through step by step how to start a Facebook group from scratch. But not only that, I'm going to show you how to optimize that Facebook group. So Facebook will push it and people will actually see your group. This is the most important part. And Facebook is really good at recommending your group to other people. And I'll explain to you how that works after we actually go and set all of this up, and also as we're setting this up. So the first thing you want to do is you can click the plus sign up here and then go to create a group. Now, this is where one of the most important things happens, okay, is the group name. So very often I see people's groups with names that are completely irrelevant and they're not keyword optimized. What I mean by this is if you look at my group here, Affiliate Marketing Samurais, my group is about affiliate marketing. So I want to have affiliate marketing in the name. This is one of the signals, because Facebook has to know what your group's about, because what they do is they recommend your group to people who are members of other similar groups. Okay, so they need to know that it's about affiliate marketing. That's the key. So it really depends on what your niche is and stuff like that. Like if you're in a kind of like a health marketplace or keto or something like that, you would want to go and create a name around that or something like that. Now for this training, I'm just going to go with something like underground health tips. Now you'll see that health tips is my keyword. this is a really critical part, but it's really hard to do. It's one of the hardest things to do because we actually only want to do 3 or even 2 to 4 words max. Okay. You're usually going to do around 3 to 4. Okay, don't do any more than 4 because it starts to get crazy. I see people stuff it, like they'll do affiliate marketing, make money online, Shopify, dropshipping. You have to stick to one focused topic or Facebook gets confused. Okay, trust me, I've grown a lot of groups. I know exactly what works. Now, the next part is you want to do choose privacy. So you see how I've actually done underground tips. So I usually do something like health tips, secrets, underground tips, or like affiliate marketing samurais, affiliate marketing ninjas. There's these different, like I always just add something on to that keyword, but the focus keyword is affiliate marketing. Now the next thing is choose to privacy. So we want to make this private and then just leave it as it is. Okay. And then go to create and create this group. Now there's some other optimizing that you have to do that's really important as well. Okay. The next bit of optimizing that you have to do, so there's some steps you can do here. I'm going to get rid of that. We don't need that right now. One of the next and most important things is the about section here. So you want to go over to here, and I think it's in settings on the left. And let me just see if I can find it here. It has been a while since I've actually created a Facebook group. All right, so I think it's here. Let me just do a test real quick because Facebook has recently changed the layout for me. Did the description. Okay, yep, so that's the about section. Okay, so go back to settings and then go to name and description. And this is your about section. In your about section, you want to actually tell Facebook, more importantly, Facebook, not really people, but people as well, what the group is about, okay? In this, I'll just write some stuff out real quick and show you exactly what I mean. All right, I've done something real quick. Now, don't go and look at my groups because I'm a bad example. I changed a lot of my descriptions because I actually, great example of what not to do. So I changed a lot of my descriptions and put call to actions in them and the traffic dropped. Because you need to have a good description. It's very important, and a description that's focused on your keywords. So in here we have health tips, and we have eat better, which is, I suppose, a health tip, and the health keyword, healthy. Just make a good long description, like about 100 words, okay? It's really important to do that, and then click save. The name of the group and the about section are one of the most important things when creating the group. It's probably the 2 key features that you need to do to actually get traffic, okay? You need to tell, it's like YouTube and stuff. When you optimize a YouTube video, you're doing it to tell YouTube what your video is about. When you're creating and optimizing a Facebook group, you're telling Facebook what that group is about so they know who to serve that group to, okay? Now, there's a few other things we need to change here. Who can join the group? You want to put it on profiles, only profiles. Who can approve member requests? You want to change that to only admins because you don't want people inviting their friends and scammers and stuff. And then who can post? Anyone in the group. Approve all members. You want to actually make sure this is on. You want to approve the members' post. The reason is because Facebook groups do get spammed a lot, and that downgrades your group. If you have that in your group, it will downgrade it very, very quickly, and it will never, ever, ever grow. Okay, so you want to make sure you vet every single post so there's no spam in there. And also, what Facebook don't like is when there's a lot of like people posting links because it sends people off the group. So you have to have a fine line. Like sometimes we don't allow posts with URLs in them for this reason because it will downgrade your group and it won't grow. So we'll talk about that. And then that's it, right? And then the next thing, there's a lot of things. So like there's group rules that you can create. There's all of this sort of stuff. There's group quality that you can track. There's analytics when you start getting people. But let's go back to the group, and there's a couple of things you want to do. Now, let's talk about actually, once you get people in, is how to get sales and how to get more sales and how to grow as your group scales. One of the easiest things to do is to have a banner like this with a call to action that says join our free training below, and we have some training in the pinned post. Okay, Now, what you want to do is you want to create something like this. It's very important. You don't have to put your face on it or anything like that. This is just for my branding because people know my face. People know this face. It's everywhere. But you want to put something there, okay? Now, I'm just going to go and get an image from, let's just put health in here. And you want to upload an image. Super important because you don't want people coming to this group and what's this about? There's no picture. And believe me, people actually do that. I've seen it. It's crazy. So download. This is called pixabay.com. You can download images for free. There's royalty-free images. And I'm going to just upload it real quick by going to edit and then upload. And then I'm going to is that the right one? No, that's not the right one. Let me do that again. That's the thumbnail for today. Okay, let me do that again. Upload photo, downloads, and here we go. So now we're looking pretty good. Groups looking pretty good. And what you do now, okay, is you need to be active and do not promote anything yet. What you want to do to grow this group is be active every single day. This is one of the main things that Facebook looks for is active organic groups that don't spam things. So for about a month, you want to be active. Don't promote anything. Don't post links. Just be active, okay? Be active. Now, one thing you can do to post links when starting, which is fine to do, you can go and you can actually create a post, one post with some call to actions in it, and you can actually pin it to the top. So all you do is you create the post and you go to here, and then when it loads, you go to, well, it'll say make announcement. So this says remove, but make announcement, and it will stay at the top. And I've got my links here to my course, to my YouTube, to our weekly Q&As, to some free training, and to some discounts, okay? This works extremely well. And then you can also tell people to comment. We closed it because we were getting spam. You can tell people to comment and it gets the engagement up, which is another thing that Facebook looks for when they're actually pushing your content, okay? Now, another thing you can do, which is really, really awesome for getting content up and promoting later on after like a month or two, is go to the member section. And if you actually go to write welcome post, it'll actually tag every single person. It's really good. So if I go post, it's going to tag every single person in this group that's joined. And then I could promote a product in here. And because they're actually tagged, it sends a notification. But one of the best things to do if you're a new group is tag these people and say, hey, leave a comment below. Facebook loves that because it tells them that this group is engaging and then they will push it. Okay, so that's how you go and start, grow, and optimize a Facebook group. Optimize it around the keywords and let Facebook do the work for you by keeping it engaging. And then honestly, Facebook will start to push you. And this is one of the best free traffic methods online today. All right, guys, sorry, my camera went flat. So the takeaway from this video is when you go and create your Facebook group, you want to have a keyword focused name, very important. Keyword optimize the group description, also very important, and make that around about 100 words or more. Focus on posting consistent quality material for a while. And keep doing that because it keeps the group engaged and then Facebook will suggest it. So all of these things you're doing is to help Facebook know what your group is about and then suggest it to the right people who are going to purchase from you. Get your members to be active. Super important metric and indication to Facebook that they should promote and suggest and push your group. Get your members active. So important. And try not to post too many links when starting out or just in general. Like don't start the group and push your product all the time because that won't work. You need to provide value and then subtly promote your products for two reasons. Number one, Facebook does not like it when you post links. Number two, also your members won't like it if you keep posting links. All right, guys, that's how you can go and use one of the best traffic methods online today. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, I'll leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell so my next video comes out. Any questions, let me know below. I'll see you in the video on the right.